Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I will be showing you guys how I revamped my extended ponytail as well as create me some baby hairs. As you can see, I don't have any baby hairs on this ponytail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some water on my hair so that I can soften it up so that I can pull out my edges.
And when we finish making sweet love, baby, and baby tonight, baby, put your hands on me, 'cause I wanna feel good. It's the way that you grab my waist and the place that you shoot.
I'm also going to be using this spray bottle to form my hair the way I want my ponytail to go. And then I'll go in and put some gel on top of it to seal it in.
And when we finish making good love, baby, tonight, baby, I feel it. I know you feel it too. Baby, I want it. I know you want it too. Put my hands on your body's telling me I gotta handle. We finish making good love. Baby, tonight,
Now my hair is turning white only because I'm spraying water on top of the products that I already previously had in my head. But just to fix that, I'm just gonna comb it in and rub it with my hand and use my toothbrush to make sure everything is laying down and together. I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel on my toothbrush, and then I'm just gonna go on top of my hair with this just to seal everything in place, because if I just use the water alone, once my hair dry, it'll start curling up and it won't be as flat as I would like it to be. Now my nape area around the back of my head, it gets the nappiest and it starts to curl up and come out of the ponytail faster than the rest of my hair. So I have to make sure I put extra product back there and smooth it down.
That you grab my waist and the place that you shoot. Boy, you know my body is calling your name. Every night is something new. Your touch is not the same. You get me excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands on me, baby. And when we finish making good love, baby,
When forming baby hairs, it's actually easy. Especially if your edges are not as long as mine, it'll be very easy to form them. But I have to do a little bit more work because mine are longer. But the key to doing your baby hairs is following your comb or following your toothbrush with your finger. So you're gonna see me while I create my baby hairs, and you're gonna, if you pay attention, you're gonna see that I'm brushing and then following through with my finger. And I also like to do my baby hairs while they're wet, so I put the product on there and then I brush and follow with my finger. And if you pay attention right here, you can see that my finger is actually making the baby hair. My brush is only guiding me, but my finger is what is making the baby hair actually lay down. So when doing my baby hairs, I love to start from the bottom and work my way up, just because you're framing your face. So I don't want to start from the top and then I use too much hair or I use too little hair and then I have to go back and fix it. So I just rather start from the bottom and then work my way up.
Baby, put your hands on me, 'cause I wanna feel good. It's the way that you grab my waist and the place that you should. Working on my body, calling your name. Every night is something new, your touch is not the same. You get me excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands on me.
Have to be very precise when doing this, because if you make a mistake and brush over the one that you had, the baby hair that you had already formed, you're gonna mess it up and then you're gonna get frustrated. So just make sure that you're paying attention to what you're doing, and the section that you're working on, you're actually brushing over this section and not the other one.
Baby, I feel it. I know you feel it too. Baby, I want it. I know you want it too. Put my hands on your body's telling me I gotta handle.
I have a video of me actually doing my extended ponytail. If you guys want to see how I do my extended ponytails, I will link that video down in the description box, so check it out.
Baby, don't you hear me now? You're gonna fall in love. You're gonna fall in love with me, baby. You're gonna fall in love with me. You're gonna want more and more.
Once you're finished, you want to make sure you go in with a makeup wipe or towel just to wipe all of the gel and everything off of your forehead so that you don't break out. Thank you guys for coming to my channel and also watching my video. If you want to see another video on different ways you can style your baby hairs, comment that down below. Follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and my Twitter is MieshaLave_. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn that post notification bell on so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. I love you guys. Bye.
It's sweeter.